Hi, I'm Rob. There are a number of things I'm not very good at. Writing isn't one of them. I've managed a handful of blogs, and I'd be bringing along my ruthless editor.
I'm not ruthless. I'm good at what I do.
And the two kids we have together. I've lived in the desert for most of my life, so I can help others appreciate the beauty and power of the ocean, the paradox of the calming crash of the waves, and that's just off the top of my head. Despite my rather dry upbringing, I'm comfortable with water. I've been a lifeguard, I'm scuba certified, and in the summer, I play in mountain lakes. I was also a field instructor for an outdoor program.
Come on, guys.
I'm not quite outdoorsy enough to be dropped off somewhere to survive, but almost.
It's cold. Please don't leave me here.
Between us, we've spent time in 3 different cultures, more if you count Texas separately, and I currently write instructions for non-English speakers. I'm sure I could help the English-speaking world enjoy the beautiful Whitsunday Islands, if only vicariously.